Hi, my name is Irina Verwer, and amongst other things I lead self-care and self-love retreats at Oneworld Ayurveda here in Bali. And for today I would love to just talk a little bit about self-care and what I feel it is. So self-care for me is the basis of self-love. If you really connect with yourself and take truly good care of yourself, eventually that will build into self-acceptance and eventually from there move into self-love. So one of the things I really enjoy as a self-care practice is to massage myself every day. I do that usually in the morning right after I've woken up, and before I take a shower I massage my entire body with warm sesame oil, which I really enjoy. The sesame oil is also really grounding and nourishing, so that is also a good thing to slather on your body. And I usually start with my buttocks and then move towards my legs, my feet, and then towards my belly, up to my chest. I massage my back the best as I can, my shoulders, my arms, my hands, and then my face and my head. And this might sound like a long practice and it might not sound like it's doable. So if you feel like you're too much in a rush, then you can also just choose one aspect. I also do that when I'm in a hurry. I only massage my feet and my belly, or my belly and my buttocks, for instance. One of the things I do really find very important is that I massage my belly every single day, because that is also where I feel my intuition is at, and that also helps me to connect deeper to myself and live a more authentic life. And when I massage my belly, one of the things I always do is first just place my hands on my belly and to check in with how I feel and what my belly feels like. So the thing I would love to practice with you today is to just have the hands on the belly. And first, just find a comfortable seated position or on a chair or laying on a bed, and then close your eyes. Become aware of the way your body feels in this moment. Notice your breath. And see if you can allow your belly to relax completely and fully. If your belly relaxes, your breath will automatically move towards your belly. And therefore, on every inhalation, your belly moves forward. And on every exhalation, your belly draws back in. So in an inhalation, your belly moves forward. And on an exhalation, your belly draws back in. While staying mindful of your breathing, allow your awareness to move to your hands. Really feel your hands. Bring a loving and caring intention to your hands, as if they're touching something that is super precious to you. And with that love and care, place your hands on your belly. It could be on your clothes, could also be underneath your clothes. Your pinky fingers will be somewhere around your groins, and your thumbs are pointing towards your belly button, and your hands are not touching each other. They're just touching your belly. Feel your hands resting on your belly. And feel your breath moving under your hands. With every inhalation, your hands move forward. And with every exhalation, your belly, and therefore also your hands, draw in. While resting your hands on your belly, see if you can really tune into your belly. So your awareness is more in your belly than in your hands. Usually when we touch something, our awareness is more in our hands. But of course your belly has skin too, so therefore it can also touch something else. So it feels more as if your belly is touching your hands than your hands touching your belly. Your awareness is in your belly. So you feel your hands with your belly, not the other way around. And whenever you feel ready, you can sit like this or lay down like this for however long you would love. But whenever you feel ready, slowly remove your hands and place them wherever they're comfortable. And just notice your belly now. Notice what changed for your breath, but also the flow of energy in your belly. Maybe you can feel that the energy also from your belly moves more towards the sides, towards your hips, your groins, pelvic floor, and maybe also up towards your heart. Maybe you notice some tingling sensation or a feeling of aliveness. And don't worry if you don't feel any of that. That is completely fine as well. Just see if you can practice this more often. And come to this practice whenever you feel like you need to connect to yourself again. For now, I would love to end this practice, so stretch in any way that feels good to your body at this moment. Find your way back to a seated position, eyes closed, feeling your body. And then bring your palms together in front of your heart. And with the intention to keep that connection to yourself alive. Lower your chin to your chest. And whenever you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste.